This is a review of a ski trip I took to Utah in February where I packed all my gear in a 40-liter carry-on. This was a fairly short trip, and because I was staying with a friend and we were skiing the whole time, I didn't need gear for multiple activities. But I did need to carry a lot of bulky winter gear like a jacket, hat, gloves, ski pants, and ski goggles. I'll start by going over my packing list, break down everything I carried by category, talk about what worked, what didn't work, and what I might change for my next trip. For my pack, I wanted something rugged with a ton of carrying capacity, large main compartment for bulky ski gear, and some level of waterproofness. I went with the Thule Chasm. This is a rugged 40-liter duffel bag, TPU coating the outside, large main compartment, also lined with TPU. This thing has decent backpack straps, but I wasn't as concerned about carry comfort because I wasn't going to be carrying the bag around all day. And if you want to see more, I also did a full review on this pack, which I'll include the link in the description below. For the gear, I'll start with what I was wearing. One of the advantages of traveling during the winter is you can save space in your pack by just wearing all your bulky clothes on the airplane, which is exactly what I did. I needed a larger shell jacket for skiing, some other bulky clothes, pants, fleece, button-up shirt, and then the only pair of shoes that I brought, which is a pair of Gore-Tex running shoes. And then the clothes in the duffel, except for the jackets and the ski pants, I packed into just 2 packing cubes. This is a medium Eagle Creek clean dirty cube and a small compression cube. In the large cube, I packed pants, shorts, 4 t-shirts, 2 long sleeve button-up shirts, 2 thermal tops, and 1 thermal bottom. I like this packing cube because it's gigantic. It held that whole table full of stuff. Has this back pocket here, unzip, transfer your clothes into the back here when they get dirty, so the capacity on this thing never changes. And then in this small compression cube, I have 3 pairs of synthetic underwear and 2 pairs of thick wool socks. And for reference, I put my entire packing list on Lighter Pack, which I'll include in the description below, which also includes the weight on all my gear. And for some extra layering options, I also brought a synthetic puffy jacket and a thin rain shell. And then for the skiing, I have these shell rain pants, hat, gloves, neck gaiter, goggles, and hand warmers, which I only ended up using once. If you watch my other ski trip review video, you remember I was a little cold because I didn't have enough gear. The stuff I added for this trip was the gloves, rain pants, neck gaiter, and the extra jacket. I like this system because it lets me layer. On my legs, you have the thermal leggings, synthetic pants, followed by a thin rain pant, which keeps out the water and the wind. And then if it gets too warm, you can remove one of these layers. Same thing for the top. I have 4 layers, thermal undershirt, long sleeve shirt, puffy jacket, followed up by a shell. This works great because in the morning it's really cold, you wear everything, and then you can take off layers as the day warms up. I didn't need a laptop, so I had minimalist electronics, charger, battery pack, a couple USB cords, car charger, headphones, all packed into this ultralight stuff sack, which weighs about ½ an ounce. Also have e-reader and of course my phone. And then minimalist toiletries in this water-resistant Foxlight pouch I picked up on Etsy. Instead of going through everything item by item, I'll include the packing list in the description below. A few miscellaneous items, notebook, pen, pencil, Chum's surf short wallet, water bottle, sunglasses, Night Eyes micro lock for the zippers, and a hero clip. For the Daypack, I'm testing the latest update on the Matador Freefly 16, which you can see is slightly larger than the previous version. And then before I pack the bag up, I just wanted to show you again everything that I was gonna be taking with me. Huge pile of gear. Half these clothes I'm gonna be wearing with me, so that's gonna save a ton of space in my pack. This bag is just a huge duffel, super easy to pack. I have the packing cubes and pouches on the bottom layer, all the other bulky stuff in the main compartment, and then all my smaller gear, I'm just gonna put in the zipper pockets in the lid. That's everything packed into the Thule Chasm. Again, 40-liter backpack and all those worn weight clothes, put them off to the side, and you can see everything else in here. This bag isn't even close to being full. Again, I'm very happy with this bag. Thule makes great packs. This thing is very sturdy, easy to carry, huge capacity. I think this is a good contender if you're looking at other duffels like this, like the Patagonia Black Hole. All in all the gear I brought with me worked out well. This was a short flight and a short trip, so there was a few items that I didn't need to bring. I didn't need a towel, soap, sink stopper for laundry, didn't need a ton of toiletries, snacks, or many electronics. Because this was my second ski trip of the year, I think I got my gear dialed in a little better from last time. My layering system worked out really well. I didn't end up using the rain jacket, but I wore everything else. That's all I have on this trip review for my 5-day ski trip in Utah. Let me know if you have any questions below in the comments. And again, thanks for watching.